Today we are going to test out Jiraiya's new Monster Jam Spider-Man truck.
Daddy, which one is this one?
Show them what we represent. What you got on your shirt?
A monster truck.
And what you got on your shorts?
Monster truck.
Yes, sir. Who we represent?
Spider-Man monster truck.
Yes, sir. Hello. Go. Tell me what you think about the truck.
It goes fast.
Super fast? Yes, sir.
It's not a good show. Thank you, Uncle.
Yes, sir.